everybody. Hello, happy Sunday. Welcome to Coffee and a Card. My name is Tiffany Almeida. I'm with Pretty and Paper Crafts and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I go live every Sunday with absolutely fun and fabulous projects featuring Stampin' Up! Products. So thank you so much for watching with me and playing and crafting. It's my favorite day of the week. I love doing this. Here is what we're working with today. This is that Witty-cisms. It's called Witty-cisms stamp set. I was so blessed. I got to see this demonstrated live in Las Vegas at the Stampin' Up! Conference, and it was adorable. I mean, the puns. I love puns. I love cutesy stamp sets. I love when things that don't have faces have faces. This stamp set is so fun. There's so many cool things to do with it. And so I'm going to show you 3 projects today that I designed using this stamp set, and there's just so many more. Like, I just want to keep going and going, so maybe I will extend onto this with the Pretty AF group. Okay, so I love that. And then this taco, isn't he adorable? Taco bout, awesome. When I saw taco, I immediately thought festive, Mexican party. You know, we all love a good taco here in Pasco. We got some great tacos here. And, you know, I just thought, oh, how fun. I could turn this into a little Mexican fiesta. And so I used very festive colors, and I coordinated with another Sale-A-Bration item, which is the metallic baker's twine combo that comes with sequins and metallic baker's twine. So I'm going to show you guys that in a minute here, and it just has a little happy birthday inside. I have a lot of little pieces for this fun little card, and I did not, and I'm slacking today. I did not do the card base. So the card base is Melon Mambo, standard card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then I have the Daffodil Delight background. I blow your mind, Patty. You're funny. And this background is, I believe, is it standard? I don't even know. Let's see. Nope, it's not. It's 3 3/4 by 5. And then this is 3.5 by 4 3/4. So this is going to be our base pieces. I have a piece for the taco bout, awesome. We're going to stamp and color that. And then I have this little banner piece that I put behind my little taco. So we'll do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to just stamp the sentiment, and we'll do a little bit of coloring. Excuse my sniffling. I'm still getting over that nasty cold that lingers forever. I feel like I'm going to be sick forever. Ugh. It's gross. But I am feeling better. Now my husband has it, so I get to play nurse. That's always fun. You guys know how it goes when a man gets sick. Okay, so StazOn. I just stamped my little taco with StazOn black ink. And the reason for that is because I am going to do some watercoloring with my aqua painter. And so I just want to make sure that StazOn is nice and dry before I do that. But I just want to get that. You always want to clean your StazOn from your stamps as fast as possible. And then definitely later go over it with some StazOn cleaner to get that StazOn off. But I find that if I use my baby wipe right away on it, it kind of gets most of it off. The other thing I want to point out about while my stamp set is drying, the other thing I want to point out are these little banners. Now these little banners, these little party banners, are from another new die set, the Bonanza dies. So look at, they have 2 different shapes of the banners, and so I use the triangle banners for my little taco party. So I've got different colors, Daffodil Delight, Pumpkin Pie, Melon Mambo, Granny Apple Green, and Bermuda Bay. So I just have 6 of those because I need 2, 4, and 6 total for my card. So I cut 6 of those out in the fun colors. All right, so my taco should be dry enough, so I'm going to color him. And I just took my aqua painter and just have a little bit of water in the brush. You don't need a bunch because this is not watercolor paper, so you don't want to be getting things super wet. But I have ink in my lid. I'm just going to pick up some yellow, and I'm just going to color him in. Nothing fancy. Cute little yellow taco. Clean your brush off. I'm just using it on my baby wipe I have over here. And then he has some little lettuce showing, so I know it's like so minute that it probably doesn't matter, but I sleep with a notepad on my, jot down my ideas. No, I don't, but that's a good idea because all the good ideas come at night. Doesn't it seem like that when you stop moving and just lay there and start thinking? Okay, so I gave him green hair. I know you guys can't see it. I'll bring it up close so you can see my out of the line painting, but I gave him some little green hair. You can hardly tell, but he's just so cute. I love when they do faces on things that shouldn't have faces. Like he's too cute to eat kind of a thing. All right. Then I'm using this is I think it's called the Everyday Label Punch. I think. I'm probably saying it wrong. And he fits perfectly in here. Just do a little label. I'm going to line that up as best I can and punch that. And then you guys are probably like, well, this one doesn't have the little bumps. Well, that's because I cut them off. I just did a little trim. Just give them a little trim on the sides. I wish I could do this kind of trim on my own body. Just trim off the sides. Trim off the side fat. So then I have this new kind of different shape of a taco label. All right. Now for the banner, I'm going to do the lazy banner method. Well, actually, no. I'm going to get my banner punch. This banner punch is probably the best investment I've ever made with Stampin' Up. And I don't know if you guys noticed it, but I always stamp upside down so I can see his name is Tuesday. You guys, that's so cute, Patty. Hey, Tuesday the taco. So a banner punch, best purchase I ever made. You can punch banners in different sizes, up to 2 inches, but I've even gone even further than that. But this punch is awesome. I always punch upside down because I want to see where I'm punching. I want to be able to line it up. And when you're in the front, you can't see that. So you want to line it up. And I always put my points at the ends of the lines here and just punch. Makes a cute little banner every time. It's going to be perfect. Okay. Enough about the punch. Now, that's pretty much all there is to this card. Now we're going to get to play with these little banners and then embellish. So basically I have my little piece here. This is that 3.5 by 4 3/4. The fact that I can even remember that, you guys. And I'm just going to glue these banners down. And what I did was I just put glue on the flags. I'm not even going to try and get them on those little strings. No way. No way, Jose. And I'm just going to kind of, let's see, I think I want a pink one. Just putting the glue on these little banners. He's so festive and fun. I just want to overlap them slightly. So cute. And so festive. I've got a blue one. And I'm just going to bring that one down a little bit. He doesn't have to overlap. And then I'm going to do a yellow one. I love these colors. These are fun, bright colors. Oops. It helps when you don't have fat fingers. But fat fingers for life, huh, Janie? Janie and I, we were texting this morning and I kept typing in the wrong word because my fat fingers can't text. So I said, fat fingers for life. I'm in the fat finger group. Let me know if you're in the fat finger group too. We decided we're going to make matching shirts that say fat fingers for life. That's what we do in our spare time. Be silly. All right. So last but not least, we have this last little banner down here. How cute. I just love the colors. It's so fun and festive. All right, let's go ahead and glue down some of these layers. So I have my Melon Mambo base, and I'm going to glue this one to my yellow. Jamie probably thinks I'm crazy. Or she's crazy with me, and that's why we get along so well. All right, and then this one goes right here, and I like to do crooked. You guys know me. So if you don't like to do crooked, don't do crooked. But I can't help it. I'm going to go crooked anyway, so I might as well make it intentional, right? All right, so then I have my little banner behind here. Life is a party, but you have to put the banners up yourself. Well, Tuesday the taco, he has put these banners up. He's ready to party. I think if you throw a party, you're not allowed to be eaten. So I think that was his plan. Is that too much? Am I being too silly for a Sunday morning? All right, so I'm putting banners on here. Banners. I'm putting dimensionals on the back. Take those backings off. Forgot one. Okay, so I just put this little guy, well, not upside down, taco. It's only Sunday morning. Okay, we're gonna put him down in the corner. Now we're going to embellish with that fun embellishment kit. This is free with a $50 purchase. It's one of the items. Crazy Sisters. I like it. So the sequins, look how fun those sequins are. They've like kind of got stripes going. Very cute, like tiger stripey. And then we have the metallic thread. And so what I did was I just made a little bow out of the yellow. I love that these colors match. Very good party colors, right? So my daughter's birthday was yesterday, and I made her a birthday card, and she loves Taco Bell. I know most of you guys are being like, ew, Taco Bell. I actually love Taco Bell, and it doesn't affect me the way it affects some people. Like my husband, he refuses to eat Taco Bell because he says it does nasty things. But me and Jamie, we love Taco Bell. So I took her shopping yesterday for her birthday, and she bought a taco shirt. And I thought, oh, this is perfect because it was like the same little taco face as the stamp set. So I did a little bow in my Daffodil Delight. So she got a taco card. I didn't take a picture of it, but I'll take one today. It's kind of more of a tie-dye background and then with tacos stamped all over the place. So there's our little bow. And now we get to glue sequins, which is really fun. So of course I'm going to use my Pick-a tool because it makes it so easy grabbing those sequins. Now when your putty starts to not be sticky, you just rip off the end and then you twist just a tiny bit and more putty gets out. It's kind of blurry. There's a little bit of putty right there. Okay. So then we take some sequins. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue dots down. So glue dot, glue dot, glue dot, glue dot, and glue dot. Okay, so I've got my little designated areas. Then I'm just going to pick up, come on, and lay down my sequins. And there's different sizes in the sequins too. The smaller ones are a little harder to pick up. Here's a little one. Don't make me look bad, little sequin. Don't make me regret life here. Make me regret picking you. Stick. He's little and he's warped. There we go. And then we got some orange ones. Come on, orange one. Oh, I already picked up an orange one. I need a yellow one. Yellow. And another blue one will be good. And sometimes they stick to each other, so you kind of have to separate them out. But look how fun, and it very much goes great with these colors. The orange and the yellows and the blues. Okay, now the last thing we have to do is just stamp the happy birthday inside. Talk about awesome, it's your birthday. This just makes me want to party and eat tacos at the same time. He is picky, huh? Ha ha ha, punny punny. Okay, so happy birthday. So fun, 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 fun. And I love this card. It would just make me smile to see this card. So I've got my first little happy card done. Yay! What do you guys think? Do you like it? I hope so. Okay. So, aren't you happy they do? Yes, I'm so happy that they coordinate. Okay, so that's card number 1. Super simple, right? So fun and very bright. Catches my eye. You guys, this stamp set is so cute. Look at these fun, festive cards. I'm going to zoom out again so you guys can see. Look at those fun, festive cards. Don't you just love them? They can be yours, you guys, with an order of $35. I will send you these cuties. Okay, bye, guys. Thank you so much. Have a fabulous week.